from my side. Yes, Ankam, can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, okay. So guys, we are going to create Azure account. First of all, what is meant by cloud, guys? What is a cloud? Very good response. What is a cloud, guys? So guys, I'll tell you one thing, okay? So simply your mobile storage and your Google storage, which one is local storage and which one is cloud storage? Can you tell me?
Mobile
storage is local storage.
Your mobile is local storage, whatever storage is there, like 64 GB or 128 GB, that is your local storage. You are going to maintain it, agree? You are going to store the data whenever you want. You are going to maintain it. You are going to power off the mobile and all whenever you want. You can do it. Agree? Means you can control your storage. You can control your resources. Agree, guys? Right. On the other hand, you have Google storage, guys. The one when you create a Google account, Gmail account, you will get 15 GB free storage, right? That is your Google storage. So who will provide this 15 GB for us?
Google.
Google, agree. Okay, Google is going to provide the storage. Who is maintaining? Who is going to maintain, guys?
Google is maintaining.
Google itself, sir.
For your account, it is maintaining, agree?
Yes, sir.
Agree. So if you want to extend that 15 GB is completely full, you want to extend now. Can you extend? No.
Yes, sir. You can extend. You can
You
buy
can extend.
the.
Means you can extend means simply you can request the Google, right? You can pay the amount. You can request the Google on behalf of you. Google can extend storage for you. Agree?
Yes.
In your local phone, you want to extend the storage. What you can do? Simply you can buy some memory chip and you can insert that memory chip, storage chip and all in your phone, right? So if you want to extend the storage in your phone, simply you can extend it, you can manage it. But if you want to extend the Google storage and all, again you have to request Google. After paying the amount, they are going to increase whatever you want, how much you want. Agree? Means on behalf of you, every service is going to be provided by other person, that is called cloud. Agree? On behalf of you, you are not managing, you are not maintaining. If you are maintaining, those servers are on-prem servers, on premises. If you are maintaining your data center means where you can see all the servers, you can call it as one data center. Data center means don't think a big building, 100 floors building. No, even though if you are maintaining 2 servers, 3 servers, that is a data center. If you are maintaining your servers, you can call it as a data centers. On behalf of you, if Microsoft is maintaining your servers in their Microsoft data centers, okay, that is your Azure. If Amazon is maintaining your servers, if Amazon is providing the services which you want, that is your AWS. If Google is maintaining the services, if Google is taking care of all the things, that is called which service, guys? GCP,
Cloud,
Google Cloud. Okay, GCP, Google Cloud Platform. So we have three major clients, three major vendors in the cloud, guys. One is Azure. Second one is Azure from Microsoft. Second one is Amazon. Both are like very tough competition is there. Earlier, Amazon is on the top. Now Microsoft Azure is giving tough competition to AWS with a lot of features, lot of options, lot of services. Okay, and your Google Cloud, of course, it is in third position only as of now. Okay, agree, guys? So you can either use AWS, you can either use GCP, you can either use Azure, guys. So for our practice, we are going to use Azure account, right? We have 3 VMs, right? Either VMware or Oracle VirtualBox or Hyper-V. Agree? In the same way, there are 3 major clients are there in the cloud. 3 major vendors are there in the cloud. So those are all your Microsoft Azure and your Amazon AWS and your GCP. We are going to use Azure, guys. So it depends upon the requirements. Companies is also going to choose their cloud product. Some companies will like AWS, some companies will like Azure, some companies will like GCP. If companies are supporting multiple projects, companies will have Azure, GCP, and AWS also. Agree, guys? Is it clear? Right. Now, if I want to create any resources in the cloud, especially in the Azure, First of all, I should have Azure account, right? If I want to utilize that 15 GB storage, I should have Gmail, right? First of all, without having Gmail, how can I utilize that 15 GB free storage from Google? In the same way, if I want to utilize the services from Microsoft Azure, I have to create an Azure account first. Okay. So guys, it will be like this. Don't confuse. Either you can practice till yesterday how you practiced, how we discussed. Either you can practice in that way, or you can practice Azure, or you can practice both. I'm not saying under condition or condition. Okay. If you want good knowledge, you can practice both. If you have memory issues, if your laptop is having less memory, switch to Azure. If you don't have credit card, switch to Oracle VMs. Both. I don't want to disturb your practice. That's why we are discussing both, guys. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Right, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ankam. Why it is showing 6:15 time? Which location?
Actually, yeah, when I was about this laptop, sir, after
Okay.
installed OS, it automatically came, sir, US time.
US time. Okay, good. Okay, fine. No issues. No issues. Yes. You can open your browser, Ankam. Open your browser and open a portal account. Okay, portal.microsoft.com. You can use, or simply you can type in the Google. Okay. Portal.azure.com. So this is the address you can give, guys. Otherwise, simply in the Google type or create a Microsoft Azure account, then it will redirect you. Okay. So what you can do is create one. No account is there, right? Create one. Create one. Yes. On that create one option. Give all the details. Create your Gmail ID. You can give. Okay. If you have any existing Gmail ID, make sure you haven't used that Gmail ID earlier for the Azure account.
Okay, sir.
Done. Next. Okay. Give a password. Strong password. Done. Okay, you will get a verification code to your email ID. Please enter your verification code. Okay. Good. Next. Next. Create account. Next. Pick the donut. Where is the donut? The third option from top. That is the one. Yes. Donut. Done.
Can I click on this?
No, maybe later. You can just click on maybe later. Okay. So why you didn't ask the okay, do one thing. What you can create in the below you can see virtual machines, right? We'll try to create one virtual machine. Okay. In the below you can see virtual machines. Let me try to access. No problem. Okay. So you can see virtual machines option, right? A quick start center rocket kind of icon. Let me.
Yes, sir. This one.
Yeah, let me click on this. Okay, virtual machines. So just try to click, guys. Welcome to Azure. Yes. It is not asking. It will ask a lot of details. Do we have any other account with this mail ID?
No, sir. For Azure account, this is the first time I'm using this mail.
Okay. Yeah, start with the free trial. You can see, right? Start with an Azure free trial. Okay. Just click on start option. Click on the start button. Then it will ask you the registration again. You have to provide your registration sign up, guys. Okay. It is going for a sign up. Azure free trial account you have to use. Okay. Free subscription, guys. We'll call it as a subscription. Like how we have a newspaper subscription How we have e-paper subscription in the same way, Azure subscription, we'll call it the Azure subscription, guys. Here you can see, right? Use your Microsoft account, free account, like that you can see here. Just 1 minute. Go to the first tab. Go to the first tab. Ankan. Go to the first tab. Yeah, Ankam.
Sir.
Yeah, just yeah, go to the first step. There you can see, guys, start with an Azure free trial. You have to click on start button. Okay, then it will be opened in another tab. Go to the second tab. Then you have to give all your details. Yeah, go to the second tab. You are using mobile
This one,
hotspot?
sir?
Yeah, that one. Azure Sign Up tab. Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Suddenly, my mobile hotspot a little bit down.
Okay. That's what.
Which one can I click, sir?
Second option, the one you have already selected, Azure Sign Up. Okay, Azure Sign Up. That one.
Azure Sign Up.
There only you can see 2 tabs, right? First is Welcome to Azure. Second one is Azure Sign Up. You cannot see that Azure Sign Up tab.
This one is welcome to Azure.
Next one is Azure Sign Up, right? Yeah.
This one, sir.
This one. Okay. So give your first name. Wherever it is saying optional, no need to give any details, guys. Give your first name.
Sir, can I give the name which is exactly available?
No problem. You can give
available on a credit card or
no. You can give any name. You can give any name. Okay, middle name not required. Last name you have to give the last name. Okay, that's fine. No issues. Okay, give the last name. If it is optional, no need to give the details. Okay, good. Okay, scroll down. Your network is too slow, Ankam. Okay, phone you have to give the phone number. Phone is mandatory. Phone number is mandatory.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. I'm going to switch another SIM.
Okay.
Maybe it will help us.
Done. Anyone created Azure account as of now? Anyone from this list? Anyone created Azure account?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Myra work all day.
Okay. Yes.
I entered my mobile number, sir.
Okay, done. Okay, text me or call me. You will get a code. Okay, make sure that phone is available. That number is available. No, not use a different number. Just text me. You will get a SMS. Click on text me again. You will get a code. Enter that verification code here. You will get a code to your mobile phone.
Yes, sir. It just came.
Okay, verify code. Done. Okay. So now it will ask you organization. Just type as self. Okay, self or personal. Anything you can type. Okay, PAN ID not required. No need to give any PAN ID. Optional. You can see optional means no need to give the details, guys. Address, just give 1 or 2 lines of address. Okay.
Sorry, sir. Actually,
Yeah, no problem.
I'm going to switch another one.
Okay. Give the address. Okay, whatever you can give the address. PAN ID not required, Ankam. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just give the address. Give the address. And 1 line is enough. No need of second line, third line, and all optional. City you can give. Guys, I will be back in 2 minutes. Okay. Yes, okay. I agree. You have to select these two. Okay, otherwise it won't allow. Next. Next, it will ask your credit card details. Identity verification by card is there, right? You have to give your
Yes,
credit
there
card
is.
details.
I have that.
What you can do, Ankam, you can stop sharing. Okay, so just give the credit card details, then you can again start the share.
Okay, sir.
Or you can what you can see, resume the share option. Okay, there is an option called resume share option. You can resume the share also, so that it won't be visible in case if you are typing anything also. Identity by card, identity verification by card. Just a minute, I'll tell you where to just you can resume the share. Don't give credit card details as of now. Resume the share. On the top you can see resume share option. Okay, you can select that option so that we don't see any values here. Yes.
Resume the share.
uh,
This one is past share.
okay, there you can see itself in the share option itself, you can see resume share, or if not, click on stop share, no issues. Okay, stop share.
Okay, sir.
Give your credit card details. Okay, once you give the credit card details, select the sign up button. Once you signed up, then start the share again. Okay, guys, any questions, any doubts, please? Once the account is created, then we can create VMs, guys. Believe me, very fast, very fast. Azure VMs are very fast. You will get a minimum 3.5 GB RAM machine, guys. Minimum 3.5 GB RAM machine. No need to install any Windows operating system. By default, you will get Windows operating system. You can choose which Windows operating system you want, whether you want a 2012 or 2016 or 2019, whatever you want, you can choose it, guys. Okay, so no need to install anything. No need to configure remote settings. Okay, 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, the machine will be available. You can happily do the RDP, guys. Okay, in 2 minutes, the machine will be available. You can happily do the RDP and all. That is the advantage with the Azure VMs. Very quick, very fast. And the one VMs we are creating, it's around hardly 2 GB machines, right? 2 GB, 25 GB. But you can choose minimum. You will get 3.5 GB machine for Azure. Minimum RAM is 3.5 GB and C drive storage is 176 GB. You will get it, guys. 176 GB you will get once you create the VM. Any questions, any doubts? There is no option to create account with the debit card, guys. Please use your friend's credit card. Tell them, okay, no issues, nothing will be deducted. So tell them, so they are going to provide you, okay? And don't use different special credit cards and all. It should be Visa or MasterCard, 16-digit credit card only. Okay, there are some different special credit cards, right? Like a Diners card, Amex card. Okay, if it is not 16-digit, guys, it won't allow you to create. This is very important. Either the card should be Visa card or MasterCard or 16-digit credit card. Not e-cards, not virtual cards, not gift cards. Okay, you cannot use those cards and all. Ankam, is it fine? Everything is going good?
Yes, sir. I just got OTP.
Okay,
I'm going
good,
to enter this.
good.
I think it's getting created, sir.
Okay. Once it is done, let me know.
Actually, after I entered my OTP, it's asked for your profile sign up.
Sign up. You have to again click on sign up option. Yes.
Okay, sir.
And you can start sharing, guys. Just give me 1 minute. I'll be back, please. I'm sorry.
Okay, sir.
You can start your sharing. Is it fine? Sign up is created, done.
Yes, sir. It is created.
Please share your screen. Done. Okay. So go to your Azure portal.azure.com. Okay, guys. Once the account is created, okay, you can see like these options. Let me control your screen. Okay, so you will get a 14,000 rupees as a credit, guys. Okay, you will get 14,000 rupees as a credit. You can see here, right? 14,500 rupees. This is notification bar. You can see every time the balance. You can see here how much it is consumed and all you can see. And this will be available for the next 28 days only. Okay, only for 28 days. Once done, once 28 days done, you have to click on this option, upgrade to pay as you go subscription. If you want, you have to go to this option, you have to choose this option, you have to give the details, then only it will deduct the amount based on your usage. It's like a power bill, it's like a water bill, how much you are going to utilize, how many services you are going to utilize, how many days, how many hours, how many minutes, how many seconds you are going to utilize. Based on that only you are going to get the bill, guys. And after the 28 days you have to choose this option to upgrade, otherwise it will deactivate your account. Your account will be there for the 1 year. This account will be active for 1 year, guys. Okay, but the free credits you have to use in 1 month, 28 days. Okay, free credit will be completed in 1 month. Even though you used or you don't use, then that free credit will be gone after 28 days. The account you can use for 1 year. Okay, and once this free credit is completed, then you have to choose this option if you want to continue. If you don't want to continue, you can leave it. So nothing to worry that your credit card amount is going to debit from your credit card. Nothing to worry until and unless you are going to choose this option. 1 rupee also will not be deducted from your credit card, guys. Clear? Is it clear, everyone, please?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. 1 minute, guys. I hope the class is recording, right? Just a minute. Let me exit full screen and let me check. Yeah, it is recording. No problem.
Sir, can I unmute from my side, sir?
Yeah, you can unmute. You can mute. Okay.
Because
No problem. Yeah, no problem. Okay, guys. So you can see the credit here. So go to the home again. Okay, whatever resource you want to create, you can see all the resources, guys. In Azure, everything will call it as a resource only. Everything will call it as a resource or service, guys. Okay, service. Everything as a service only. Everything. Server is also service only. Okay, lot of services are available. These are the Azure services, guys. These are just services, and if you click on more services, you can see all the services. What and all services is Azure providing, you can see all the services, guys. Lot of services are there. All, if you want to see, you can see all services. Okay, so lot of services are available. These are all, see how many services are there. See, to learn Azure, your life also is not sufficient, guys. Your life, your 100 years or 60 years, 70 years life is also not sufficient to learn the Azure. That many services it is supporting, guys. Okay, so right, to read all
Sir,
the services.
sir,
Yes.
please click on mute, sir. I think you got control from my end. Right?
Okay, let me mute you. Okay, let me
Okay, sir.
mute you. Done. Okay, so yes, you are muted. Okay, click on home. Okay, so all you can see, right? Right, all the resources, featured resources, everything you can see. You can go back. And remember, guys, you should have internet connection. Okay, then only your Azure portal will open, guys. Okay, so I want to create a virtual machine, right? Just click on this virtual machine, right? So you don't have any option as of now. This is a fresh account, right? There are no existing virtual machines and all. If any existing virtual machines are there, you can see here, guys. Okay, so let's create a new virtual machine. Create virtual machine. I want to create a virtual machine, right? So guys, tell me, Microsoft will use which service in the backend? Which virtual machine service it is going to use? Microsoft is going to use which virtual machine service? Either VMware or either
Hyper-V,
VMware.
sir.
Hypervisor V.
Sorry.
No problem, no problem. Which service, which virtual machine service Microsoft will use in the backend, guys? VMware or Oracle VirtualBox or hypervisor?
Hypervisor.
Hypervisor from Microsoft, guys.
Oracle.
Okay, Oracle or hypervisor. Okay, see guys, hypervisor VM is from Microsoft. So Microsoft itself is going to use its own product. Okay, Microsoft Azure won't use VMware or VirtualBox for VM services. For Azure services, it will use its own product, that is Hyper-V or hypervisor. Okay, so in the backends, all the machines in the backend, all the machines, all the services will be created in the hypervisor, Hyper-V service, guys. Hyper-V virtual machines. Okay, so once you got the screen, create a virtual machine. So the subscription is always free trial, guys. We are using free trial service, free trial account only. So keep it as the subscription. A resource group, guys. You have to mention one resource group, guys. If you want to create any service, a resource group is important. Resource means group of resources. Resource group means group of resources. Okay, so when you create a server, lot of things are going to be created. Agree, guys? Tell me what and all components are going to be involved when you create a server. What and all components going to be involved? Tell me, guys.
Sir, RAM,
RAM very good,
CPU,
CPU very good, storage very good,
storage,
storage very good,
and OS.
OS very good, excellent. OS,
Machine, sir.
sorry,
Machine.
machine very good, excellent. Next, your IP addresses, network. Agree? Your security.
Yes, sir.
Agree? Lot of things, right? All the things are grouped together. That is called one resource group, guys. Okay, so in the Azure, everything will call it as a resource, right? So when you create any, if you want to create any resource, first of all, a RG should be created. RG means resource group. RG should be created. Okay, once RG is created, then you can create your own VM. Okay, so it is asking you to give the name. Any name you can give. There is no, okay, there is no like prerequisite. You can click on this create new and you can give any name. So let me give, tell me, Ankam, you have any specific name? Okay, let me give Ankam RG. Okay, Ankam -RG. Okay, so it is not taking the capitals, no problem. Or let me check whether it is not taking the separate special and all. 1 minute. Ankam
If you are searching, sir,
Yeah.
this name is available or not?
Yes. Okay. Ankam RG, I just gave the name as Ankam RG. Click OK. Done. Okay, you can give your own name, no issues. Virtual machine name. What name you want to give virtual machine name, guys? You can use same batch 42 or you can give your own name. Okay, I'm giving batch 42. Okay, so Ankam batch 42 you can give if you have doubt. Ankam batch or let's go like this. AZ means Azure, guys. Okay, AZ batch 42. So on-prem is normal batch 42. This is AZ batch 42. AZ means Azure. Okay, Azure. Just I'm giving the name to differentiate the Oracle VM and Azure VM. That's it, guys. So now you want to create VM, right? So where this VM has to be deployed? You cannot deploy it in your home. You cannot deploy it in any shopping center, shopping mall. You cannot deploy it anywhere or in the clouds and all. You cannot deploy it. Some location you should deploy this VM in one location, guys. That is called region. in which region you want to deploy the VM. Azure have lot of regions across the globe, across the world. Across the globe, it has lot of regions. Okay, so in India also we have regions like Chennai and Pune and Mumbai. These are the locations, data center locations for Microsoft Azure. And Singapore we have data center location. Okay, Southeast Asia and Australia we have, every country, most of the countries, big countries having a Microsoft data center, guys. You can choose in which location you want to create this. Okay, so wherever free services are available, okay, you can select that location, guys. You can see lot of locations here. See here, all are locations only. These are the US locations. US East, US 2, South Central, means you are creating machine from your location, from Hyderabad, okay, or from your location, okay, and you are creating your machine in the US, guys, in the US data center. Believe me, in the US data center you are creating. US East, US West, Asia Pacific, guys, Asia Pacific, and you can see North Europe, okay, and Europe, Sweden Central, UK, okay, you can see Indian also, India data centers also. Let me go down. Where are the India data centers, guys? Yes, okay. Asia Pacific, South India, West India, Central India also will be there, guys. Central India also will be there. Okay. Asia Pacific, South India. South India means your Chennai location. West India means, I guess it is the Mumbai location, I guess. Okay. You can choose any, but try to choose your free services. In which location free services are available, try to choose the free services. I'm going to choose US East. Okay. US East. Right. No need to choose any availability options. Keep it as it is. Security type standard, keep it as it is. Image, guys, image means what? Can you tell me what is meant by image?
Select to the OS.
Oh yes, yes, correct. Image means, we'll call it as, in the organization professionally we'll call OS as image, guys. Windows image or Linux image. Okay, image means your operating system only, right? Agree? So here by default Ubuntu is selected. Ubuntu is also one OS. Okay, like Linux we have Ubuntu also. So I don't want Ubuntu, I want Windows machine. I can install SQL Server in my Windows, right? So let's try to choose Windows machine. Click on this image option. Okay, you can see lot of options, right? Lot of options. You can see here Windows Server. Okay, 2019 data center edition, gen 2. Gen means generation, guys. Gen 2, Gen 1. Okay, Windows Server 2016 Gen 2, Windows 10 Pro. Okay, click on this, see all images, guys. See all images. I want to use Windows Server 2012 image. Okay, Windows 2012 means it is less costly when compared to 2016, 2019. Okay, 9 rupees per hour you have to pay. 9 rupees per hour you have to pay. So I'm going to choose this Windows 2012. If you want, you can go for Windows 2016 also. Again, please go through this step, guys. Again, people will call me, sir, which option I have to choose? I cannot see Windows 2012. You have to choose this Windows Server. Okay, select. There you can see a lot of models, guys. Windows Server 2022. Okay, Gen 1, Gen 2, right? Windows Server 2022 data center editions. 22. Go down. If you go down, you can see lower versions. Windows Server 2019 data center editions, Gen 1, Gen 2, Windows 2012. Okay, go down, 2019, then 2016 you can see. Then finally you can see 2012 also, guys. Okay, this you can see, guys. Okay, Windows Server data center edition, Gen 1, Gen 2. Whatever you want, you can go for it. Let's go for Gen 2, guys. Okay, then it will calculate the cost and all. See here, standard. Again in the size also there are different sizes. Which size you want? Standard, small or big, you can choose, guys. Okay, so if you go for standard DS V2 1 vCPU, okay, if you see here 3.5 GB RAM, one is 3.5 GB RAM with one CPU. Standard DS D2, yes, this is DS1, this is D2S V3. Okay, this you will get 2 vCPUs and 8 GB RAM. If you choose this option, okay, DS2 V2, 2 vCPU with 7 GB RAM, and the cost is 13,000, 7,000 and 6,000, guys. Try to choose the 6,001, guys. Okay, you can save the money. You can save the money and you can utilize that money to practice other services and all. Okay, so that's why I'm choosing this one. This is fantastic machine. This is sufficient for us. Don't go for 8 GB machines and all. Okay, this is sufficient for us. This is sufficient for us. Just 1 minute, guys, please. 1 minute. Hello. Guys, okay, so try to choose this size, guys. This is the least size, 1 vCPU. And again remember, okay, so again remember, guys, with the free account you will get 4 vCPUs. Okay, 4 vCPUs, up to 4 vCPUs you will get, guys. I am getting word. Let me open Notepad. Okay, so let me increase the font. With the free account you will get 4 vCPUs, guys. So 4 vCPUs, you want to create one machine with the 4 vCPUs, you can create only one machine. Okay, right? You want to create a machine with 1 vCPU, how many machines you can create, guys?
1.
You will get 4 free vCPUs. CPU means virtual CPUs, that's it. Okay, the CPU is very important, right? So 4 vCPUs. Either you can create a single machine with all 4 vCPUs, or you can create each machine with one vCPU. How many machines I can create maximum? Minimum is 1 vCPU, guys. I'll get 4 vCPUs. How many machines I can create? 4 machines. So hardly I can create 4 machines in my Azure account. 4 machines with my Azure free account, guys. Okay, let me reconnect. The meeting is going to end now. Please use the same link, guys. Let me reconnect again.